And we have really been spoiled by some true summer-like weather, and it's going to continue.
Yeah, for a couple days into the week, and then that humidity just welcomes us back on Wednesday.
Of course. Another tropical air mass in place by the end of the week, and that's also going to give us repeated storm chances, especially farther inland, but it could be heavy tropical downpours too. So similar to what we saw last week, and it's an interesting setup. For now, it's going to be a nice vacation week all around if you can swing it. It'll be great, generally dry, inland rain chance. Yes, it's there once you get towards the second half of the week, but we have a couple less humid days. That's going to be Monday into Tuesday, early Tuesday especially. Then that tropical feel back for midweek. No cool air in the forecast just yet. Your 7-day stays very hot and humid all the way through next weekend and for that first week of August. Temperature now in Boston, still 77 degrees. Dew point comfortable, 58. It is a little bit lower. The wind from the west at 6 miles an hour. Temperatures everywhere in the 70s or 60s. 67 in Worcester now with the dew point there of 58. And 50s and low 60s for those dew points overnight tonight, with an overnight low in Boston 68. But some of the suburbs could briefly touch the upper 50s for those lows, mainly across areas of southern New Hampshire and away from the coastline. Mostly clear. Again, less humid and a very subtle breeze, if that, so some ground fog. Wouldn't be surprised if that developed, but that quickly evaporates away tomorrow as we see full sunshine to start the day. A few high and thin clouds pass through, and afternoon highs in the 80s, a little bit cooler on the coast thanks to some local sea breezes. And if you're heading to the beach tomorrow, 82 with lots of sun, that low tide early, 7:40 in the morning. Water temperature slowly heating up still day by day, up to 74 degrees in some spots. Hour by hour forecast, you see Tuesday morning, there's some rain that passes well to our south. Could give us a few clouds around the islands, but otherwise we're mostly clear to start off your Tuesday and to end Tuesday as well. Now there's a brief chance for a pop-up shower across extreme western Massachusetts, but otherwise we're dry. Wednesday morning, a brief chance for rain across southeastern Mass, and then that's when we see those pop-up showers and storms in the heat of the afternoon on Wednesday. This is also when we will see a transport of moisture here in the upper levels of the atmosphere thanks to this Bermuda high. So far it's stayed the last couple of days farther to the east, but by midweek it gets closer to the coast, similar to what we saw last week. That helped to transport all of this water in the sky, and that's why we anticipate the humidity and also the rain chances daily Thursday into Friday as well. Starts to break down a little bit as that high gets a little bit farther to the east by the end of the work week, and we may dry out and get a little less humid by the end of next weekend. But we have some time to go before we get to that. And a couple days that we're going to stay in the dry, comfortable range with the dew point temperatures. We're in the low 60s for Monday, Tuesday in the mid 60s, and then once again, oppressive humidity Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. If you do have vacation this week, though, lakes and mountains, first half of the week, definitely ideal. Monday, we're dry, 81. Tuesday, 82. Wednesday, chance for scattered showers and thunderstorms, and a high of 81. And again, that's the day that the humidity takes over. More humid air, more hot temps, low 90s Wednesday, Thursday, near 90 going into next weekend as well. Maybe a break from those daily pop-up storm chances by Sunday. Katie, Ken.
All right, thanks, Pamela.